So this is our project. We made the adjustable, and basically it's an adjustable dog feeder that you can adjust to the height of your dog, and it also allows you to feed multiple dogs at once. So the problem that we face, because I have 3 dogs, and I know a couple of the other people in our group have 2 dogs, and the problem that happens is usually the dogs are different sizes, and one will eat the other's food if they're smaller, because small dogs are good at doing that. So, so we made a feeder that can feed multiple dogs at once, and it also allows the smaller dog to not be able to get into the bigger dog's food. So that was kind of our idea of this feeder. We don't need to do that slide.
So as you can see, these products here, both of the bowls like adjust at the same time, and you can't adjust them differently. So it's only for like one certain size dog, and like that one's still the same type of thing for food and water. But so basically we just have a pole to where you can adjust it to whatever height you need, because most dogs aren't really taller than this. So that's why you can adjust it you can put one on this side, this side, this side, or this side. So you can feed at least 3 dogs. And then
Other research we did, we found out like what height each dog bowl should be for the certain type of dog, and how to make the best stand possible.
So for our brainstorms, our first idea was that it would have the holes, but then we thought that we shouldn't drill. So then our other idea was to take like a ring and put it around it so it could hold the bowl, but that didn't work, so we ended up just drilling the holes.
So we did a couple different interviews, and like a lot of the feedback we got was that they really liked the design and how it could adjust to the height of their dog so that they could feed multiple dogs at once, and then it could kind of last a lot longer because it's not just for one certain size dog. And a lot of other people really liked the color and how the design is, although a couple of the feedback cons that we got were that storing it might be a problem because it doesn't really come apart. So we were going to try to fix that and make it like if it came in a box and you had to put it together, but we didn't have enough time to figure out how to do that. That would be kind of like one of our next ideas to fix it. And another thing is our first idea maybe wasn't going to be as stable as we thought, so that was another thing that we fixed in this prototype.
This is our first build, so we put the 2-inch blocks between this like this is, and it kind of elevates it a little bit more and makes it more stable. And we put wedges in between this so the pole doesn't move around anymore. And then
Okay, so for our second build, we realized that the metal rings, as Leighton talked about earlier, they wouldn't hold the bowl stable enough. So we drilled the holes so that way the nut and bolt would work better.
So this ended up to be our final build, where you can actually unscrew the bowl and put it in a different hole when you need it to adjust the height for the dog. And we decided to go with the bottom part as well that has the gap so that the bowl actually goes through the bottom and it stabilizes it a little bit better. So we have a little video that kind of shows us going through it. Go to the movie.
So we had to saw the PVC pipe to get it to this height. So it's just us kind of like building it and showing you what it looks like before and after, and like sanding this so we didn't have any rough edges on the top or bottom. This is so that we could actually stick a pipe. It's one of those hole drills. And then that's what it looked like after we got all the wedges in. And this is us feeding the dogs.
Yeah, this was our test, and it actually did work, which was good.
And they couldn't get into each other's food as she tries there. And then, yeah, so that's
Our project.